Hi, with the weather as it is, we have cold, very cold, and then we have hot, and then we have normal. And you know what's happening is, so everyone seems to be getting more and more of a cold. They get a cold, they get a cough, they get sinus, and it's something that is very, very natural that is happening with this weather. So what I use, and I must tell you, this has really helped me, not just me, but my full family and friends who have been using it, is this oil. Help me, I have a bad cold. Now, this is a fantastic oil, really, which has helped a great deal. In fact, you will find even if you're starting with a little bit of a scratchy throat, or your sinus is just about coming on, or you're having a cold or getting a flu, just use this oil. I just use this oil and I recommend it very highly. It comes in a bottle like this, of course, and so you can just use it like this with 2 drops if you want, or you can use this with the dropper, so that you can take the drops out. So it actually depends on you how you would like to use it. Now, how to use it? The best thing is, I always say, take this, and before you go out after you've had a shower and you're going out to work or going out for anything early in the morning, rub this oil under your feet. It's even excellent for children, and you will find that they will have, it's going to keep the cold away from them. The next way you can use it is, if you're having one of these things, is put it on your eyebrows, and then on your eyebrows, on the head, under the eyes, the nose, don't forget your throat, and don't forget behind your ears and in front of your ears. So if you do it like this, a massage, pinch up, don't forget here, this is the sinus area, your ears, and other thing I say is even the hair, massage it in. It's not going to leave your hair greasy, and go down the throat. Then give a little thing so that it all drains. It drains out the lymph, it will drain out everything. It's going to make you feel good. But after you do this, you must cover your head, and cover your head to go out, or cover your head even when you're going to sleep. The best time I use it is early in the morning when I wake up, and then I use it at night before I go to bed. And of course, I cover my head with a light, you can say, a cloth or a light cap, and go to sleep. This is a fantastic oil. I highly recommend to all of you, and it's definitely going to keep the cold and flu and sinus and everything away. Try it.